Hello everyone, today I will show you how to make all the checkboxes same size in PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Open your PDF file. Now I will make these checkboxes same size. Select this tools option and scroll down. Here you will find this prepare form option. Click here. Now click on the selection icon and dragging your mouse select your checkboxes you want to make same size. Now I'll make this middle of this checkbox same size and this too. Now click right button. Here you will find this set field same size. You can make this field same size, height, wide and both. I will make both and see this checkboxes size already make. Now it's same size this too. Click on the selection icon and dragging your mouse select checkboxes. I will make this on same size properties and make this same size. Select here both and see this two also same sizes and this two. Yeah, in this way you can make all of these checkboxes same size or specific checkboxes as you like. Yeah, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.